Hey you. Yes, I'm talking to you. So, you want to become a game developer in 2026? Maybe you want to make a horror games, survival games, maybe the next Minecraft. Who knows? But then you open YouTube and everybody says different things. Learn C++. No, learn C. No, use Unreal. No, Unity is dead. No, make mobile games. So, in this video, I'll explain which game engine is actually best, how beginners should start, and how much money game developers really make in 2026. Without wasting your precious time, let's jump in. I know there is a question in your mind that which engine is the best. A straight answer, Unreal Engine 5. If you wanna make realistic graphics, horror games, FPS games, open worlds, cinematic games. Unreal is insane. AAA studios use it, big indie developers use it, and visually nothing beats Unreal right now. But Unreal is heavier, it's harder for beginners, and C++ can destroy your brain if you start too early. So, should beginners use Unreal? Honestly, yes, if you're serious and patient. Hey, you made this far. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So, we get to the part that we're going to say how beginners should start. This is the most important advice I'm giving to you. Don't spend all your time watching tutorials because game development is a skill learned by creating and destroying, not by watching. If you stay consistent for a few months, you'll surprise how much progress you make. So, interesting part. How much game developers make in 2026? A straight answer, we have two separate ways. First one, work for a studio. You work for a company and receive a salary. Example, Ubisoft, EA, Epic Games. And you always have a fixed salary. You can see by your level how much you earn. On the other hand, we have indie game developers too. You make your game, you sell it on a market you want. That's it. No extra work, you have all of the freedom you want.